Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad S. Ahmad
And I am Alvaro Palongan.
and we are to report our proper waste management in Out Campus.
Go! Hitung ka sa basuran. Uy!
As a student, how can you maintain your own garbage in the school?
Basically, I can manage my own garbage to communicate our policy of the school, which is play go. But it is play go. The meaning of play go is clean as you go, and that's all. Thank you.
How can you segregate your own garbage in the campus?
First is before I throw my garbage, first is look what is biodegradable and non-biodegradable before I throw my garbage.